Welcome to Centerspace Homes. My name is Robert. Today's video will be how to change a light bulb. First thing I want you to do is I want you to turn off the light at the switch. I want you to give the light a chance to cool. What I want you to do next is unscrew the bulb counterclockwise. Go ahead and set the bulb aside. If for some reason the bulb breaks from the base, please stop. Do not go any further due to the sharp edges in glass. And one of our service technicians will come up and remove the base from the socket for you. Grab your new bulb, then install the new bulb clockwise. Okay, now I want you to go to the wall and turn on your switch. If the bulb still does not go on, repeat the steps. And if the bulb still does not turn on, please reach out to your Centerspace service team. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you as a resident and we hope you found this video helpful. If this does not fix your problem, please call us. We are always happy to help.